Test. Yo guys, and let me do some quick checkups here to see if we're live and up and running, of course. Let me see, I think everything should be working. Yo guys, and welcome back to this new stream here on the channel. And on today's stream we are going to discuss the Bitcoin price section, where we have been seeing a major run up here once again, and it looks to be that we just saw an extreme amount of volatility returning in towards the market, with of course huge amounts of volume re-entering as well. And I will be right now discussing what we are most likely going to see as well. I'm going to go over your requests right now on the market, and we will be discussing way more things, of course, on this stream. So you guys already tuning in here, you guys, I see the chat as well. Let me get this straight here, and let me see if everything is working. Everything should be working right now. Let me see. I have to do some quick checkups, guys, because this stream, it was very quick. I did it very quick here. So let me see. Everything should be working right now. So very nice to see you guys. Thank you for tuning in already here. I have to do some final checkups here before really going into ours. And yes, I see the stream is completely working right now here. So guys, let me start off with the stream and let me discuss the Bitcoin price section. Guys, I have been anticipating a minor pullback for the Bitcoin price section here in the past days here. And right now we'll be explaining why I will be still expecting this, of course, for sure. And as well, I will be talking about what we are going to see here right now in the imminent short term, since yes, the only thing that right now can do here is, first of all, which levels of resistance are we going to go into ours? Because yeah, right now, as you can see, Bitcoin on the daily candles, our next major level of resistance right now, what we should be looking at is this level right here. And this is the level of the 51.2k here. So if I'm going to zoom in towards the 1 hourly candles here, we were just a few dollars away from our resistance target here. Like you can see in front of our screen here, we were just in approximately 0.5%, aka $270 away from this target of resistance. And right now we'll be loving to see this target getting reached, of course, because this is going to be a major level of resistance for Bitcoin, since previous resistance on the previous support, previous resistance on the daily candles, like you can see over here, previous support, previous resistance, previous support, previous resistance. This is going to be a major important level in general just to break for Bitcoin. So if we're going to be able to break through of this level, this is going to be, of course, extremely bullish for all the Bitcoin holders out there and for all the Bitcoin price action out there. So definitely want to be seeing where we are, if we're going to reach this level here. So Jason Clark as well donating to the channel here. Get yourself a drink, man. Much love here. I mean, that's really amazing, guys. I as well have to be making an announcement real quickly. I've just ordered as well some food here, so maybe I have to head out here for maybe an approximately 10 minutes or so in the stream, because I have to get my dinner out there, right? So we're going to just do this all together. We're just going to focus on the market right now here. We're going to discuss what we're most likely going to see here. And for sure, the most important thing here is that I will be staying realistic with you guys. But I have to be bringing out some announcements here right now here, since yes, guys, I will be always realistic on the market. And right now, I'm seeing loads and loads of bearish indicators getting formed in the market. So yeah, my updates right now nowadays here, and my updates here in the last 24 to 48 hours were pretty bearish on the market. And the reason why here is because all the momentum indicators and the chart was looking pretty bearish to me here. So that is the reason why I was, of course, pretty bearish. So as long as the technicals are bearish, I will be bearish as well. If the technicals are bullish, I will be bullish. So that is basically how I trade here, guys. Just to clarify that up to you guys as well here. And as well, I want to be talking about some other things here is, if I say it correctly, I can't be bullish, of course, if we're seeing bearish indicators playing out, right? So that is a thing that I have to clear up to you guys here. We'll be always staying realistic on the market. And if you don't appreciate realistic price analysis, you are definitely on the wrong channel here, because I will be for sure always stay realistic. And sometimes, like you can see right now here, TA doesn't work because there's a lot of FOMO in the market, people entering the market, still pushing up prices, even though the momentum is running dry right now here. So yeah, I will be remaining careful, and I've been announcing it, and I have been telling this to you guys on my videos and on my Twitter page several times here. And what have I been saying here? I've been saying, guys, I will be not trading the market right now here, since yes, I want to be shorting it, since the technicals are looking to tell us that we are going to short the market. But since we have been ignoring all the technical indicators, I will be not opening a short position. And that is the reason why I am not trading right now here. And that is the reason right now, of course, I'm still benefiting of the market going up, but still I will be providing you with these realistic analysis here. So Jason Clark, first of all, thank you so much for your donation as well. But for sure, I will be getting myself a drink anytime soon here. So let me right now talk a little bit about what Bitcoin is right now doing here, because yes, I hate to break it, to bring the game once again here, but I will be just right now, just guys, listen up here. I will be just explaining what the technical analysis right now telling us, because the technical analysis right now telling us that we're probably going to see a very severe correction, because it looks to be that we're running dry on the current momentum. The momentum is looking to reverse very significantly, and this is of course one of many confirmations that we have been getting here, and it will be still remain a little bit more careful and remain a little bit more bearish, since we have been seeing these market structures several times here. We have been seeing these market structures several times in the Bitcoin market, and right now we're doing the exact same once again here. So what you can see over here is that we are forming right now a higher high in the price action. We have been forming a higher high on the price action, while the RSI is forming still a lower low. This, of course, a clear bearish divergence on the daily. You guys already probably know this as well. The MACD momentum right now as well over here. You can see we formed a high on the chart, higher high on the chart. After that, we formed a lower high here on the MACD, as well on the money flow index. Guys, we're seeing 3 different momentum indicators right now telling us that the 1 hourly candles are about to reverse here. This is for me a very significant signal that I will be remaining careful. And even though I know the market, there's extreme amounts of FOMO right now in the market. There is extreme amounts of FOMO right now in the market. Even though that, I will be not trading this right now, because I will be for sure not trading this towards the upside right now, since first of all, we're seeing these bearish indications playing out here, and if I'm seeing such a huge amount of bearish indicators out on the market, I will be extremely careful. I will be extremely cautious with what my actions are going to be here on the market right now here. And as soon as we are seeing these bearish indicators, of course, like bullish, I will be looking for sure for a long position. But right now, I've been bearish on YouTube and on Twitter, basically, because we are seeing a lot of bearish indicators playing out right now here. So what we are right now seeing here is Bitcoin as well reversing ever so slightly. In my opinion, this is because of this bearish divergence as well. If we're going to go to the 4 hourly candles, guys, what we can see over here is as well, we have not invalidating this one yet here. So let me remove this indicator to make it a little bit more clear, and let me remove the drawings, because these drawings were in the 1 hourly candle. So yeah, the MACD looks to be shifting as well its trend on the 4 hourly candles, since we have been still printing a higher high and then a lower high here on the MACD. The RSI has been as well forming still this bearish divergence over here. We have been forming a higher high on the price action, lower high on the RSI. I mean, guys, yeah, we are seeing several indicators right now playing out here. These several indicators are right now telling us that the market is about to reverse here. And I mean, yes, I will be always stay realistic with you guys. And what is going to be, by the way, very important for you guys. And guys, let me know if you want to be with me here all together, because this 4 hourly candle close, and this 4 hourly candle close will be happening in exactly 1 hour and 10 minutes, guys. So this 4 hourly candle close is going to be one of the most important 4 hourly candle close here for Bitcoin, because right now it looks to be, of course, that we have been forming a higher high over here. This is a clear higher high that we are currently forming, and in order for the market structure to, of course, continue its way up here, and we'll be going into Ethereum in a second, by the way, because Ethereum has been creating a huge wick here on the 1 hourly candles, and this is, to be honest, not looking all too strong right now, and we have to be getting prepared for this right now here. So I've been already announcing on my Twitter page what I'm right now doing here, and I will be trying to slow down ever so slightly, guys. Sorry, I will be trying to slow down right now, because I know right now I'm talking very quickly, but that is because I want to be going over Ethereum as well, and I want to be, of course, discuss all these very important things right now. So let me see. Excuse me, I'm getting as well very interesting message right now, so I have to check on that as well, but I will be doing that after the stream here. But right now, what you can see, of course, what is it talking about? Excuse me. So you can see over here, we're forming right now in higher high, but if we are not able to close a 4 hourly candle above this level over here, and I will be right away addressing this once again here, this is 4 hour resistance. Let me make this red real quickly. So this is going to be a very important candle close where we're right now trading on, because if we're going to see another rejection here, this is just a huge fake out that we just got created here, because yes, we have been seeing several rejections by this level, and if we're not going to be able to close this 4 hourly candle above this resistance target, we still have not been confirming a breakthrough, and we're just showing that the buyers are just getting too exhausted and that the buyers are just running out of steam here. So as well, what we could be looking at here is maybe on the 50 minutes, a very interesting channel. We are maybe looking here at this very interesting channel towards the upside. And let me correct this ever so slightly. You have to draw it like this. You can see right now, if you're going to look at this channel, that we are creating some kind of a parallel channel towards the upside on the 15-minute time frame. So the 15-minute time frame is moving up, and we are finding support on the lower side, resistance on the top side. This looks, of course, quite interesting, since as well, if you're going to look at the momentum indicators, it looks to be that the MACD is forming ever so slightly these divergence because we have been forming a high over here, lower high, and these lower highs that we're currently getting formed here are getting formed while we are seeing higher highs getting created on the price action. So yeah, we are currently seeing a lot of momentum on the 15-minute time frame together with this bearish divergence right now getting created here. So let me address this as well very quickly. You can see right now the 15-minute candles has been seeing a lower high here on the RSI, but we have been still forming higher highs in the price action. So yes, we are seeing some divergence playing out right now here. You have to be for sure paying attention towards this right now here as well. If I'm going to flip it to the 30-minute candle, you can see as well this pattern is showing us the significance. We are right now seeing a drop off here as well in the RSI. Maybe we are going to find some support on this momentum line over here. This could be for sure providing some support in the imminent short term for Bitcoin to still bounce back maybe even higher. For sure, I would love to see Bitcoin increase further on, guys. That's definitely a thing that you have to be understanding right now here. I would love to see Bitcoin increase towards, yeah, well, let's say 52,000 US dollars or even beyond. But to give you a realistic thought here, the technicals are not looking extremely strong here. So yo, Dan, you have to start a rap career. You're talking way too quick. I mean, I know. And I for sure, I want to be raising the awareness about one thing here, guys. I mean, yes, you could be for sure trading right now here, but there's only one message that I'm right now trying to bring out to you guys here, because yes, we are a trading community, right? So we are traders, and what I'm trying to do here is to catch every single move in the Bitcoin market. And right now, I've been announcing that I will be not trading this current scenario, because situation where we're right now trading, and because it is too risky. If you are a trader, you always want to be trading with the least amount of risk. And if you want to be opening a good either long or short, I don't even care. It's just in general trading. It is not smart to trade right now. Because first of all, the market is overextended. The market is still moving up while seeing bearish divergence. We could be reversing anytime soon here, or we could be, of course, increased for a very long period of time. So it is very hard to predict the market right now here. And of course, you can, if you're going to be bullish all the way, you're going to have it wrong sometime, and a lot of people will be getting hurt of it. So that is the reason why I will be staying realistic, and I will be taking profits along the way up here, because I know for sure that it will be in general, maybe not, probably it will be not making me the most popular YouTuber or the most popular person out there, but it will be making me the most profitable person out there, because I will be staying realistic on it. So let me see. Solana needs a retracement. I will be going over that in a second here. Can you have a look at XRP? For sure, Extender. I will be, give me a moment here. I will be for sure taking my my eyes out on that one. But guys, as well, if you're looking to this here, this significant pattern, you can see as well this previous major level 4-hour resistance, where we still have to be closing above to on this 4-hourly candle close. What is going to happen, of course, in 1 hour and 4 minutes, just as well got retested on the 1-hourly candles here. So this 1-hourly candle could be for sure find some very strong support on this level, and this will be for sure lovely to see here if we're going to find some very strong support on this and still move up from here on. It will be lovely, because this 4-hourly candle is going to be very critical on where it is going to close here. So yeah, the 1-hourly candle is going to close in 3 minutes. But guys, I will be looking at XRP, Solana whatsoever. But first, let me discuss a little bit on the Ethereum price action before, of course, going into the new 1-hourly candle that we're about to print here on Bitcoin. So let me first talk about this Ethereum candle. So guys, what you can see first of all here, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin balance as well, forming a huge wick here on the top side. And if I'm going to go back, towards the Ethereum price action right now here, and let me go to the right chart where I was just looking at as well, and it's this chart. So you can see right now as well is that Ethereum has been creating a huge wick on this 1-hourly candle. And guys, this is a candle that you have to be recognizing, because this is a candle, it's a very typical bearish bias candlestick here, a huge wick on the top side, and the body is extremely small here. And of course, if there was a huge wick on the lower side, it was a bullish candle for me. But right now, this is a typical bearish engulfing candle, and this is going to most likely result in a very significant retracement. So yes, it is very likely to see as well Ethereum retrace. I will be still saying this because guys, you have to know, if your emotions are going to say we are going to rise, everything is going to go up, I will be buying more because it's only going up. That is not how it works, because then there will become a reversal period, and once everyone is going to sell it once again, and once everyone don't want to have their Ethereums or Bitcoins or what kind of asset whatsoever, you know, they're going to buy it, because that is what the smart money does here. So right now it looks extremely scary, to be very honest as well. If I'm going to just disable the MACD here and just talk about the RSI, and I can be as well talking about it on the 4-hour and the 1 hour, either way I will be still addressing this, guys. We are seeing a huge momentum loss right now, and maybe we're not going to see it right now here, but there will come a reversal. I'm not saying today, most likely today, I'm going to say it already, most likely we're going to see a reversal today, but if it's not going to happen today, it's going to be tomorrow or the day after. But I can tell you already one thing, there's no market that's going to go up in a straight line here, and I should be getting extremely worried. And guys, right now, give me a moment. I'm getting calls by my delivery guy. Hello? Are you there? Tower C. Yes. I'm coming. Okay, guys, excuse me so much here, but give me a second. I will leave the chart open for you guys, so you guys can clearly look at what's going to go on here on the Bitcoin price action. But I will be back here in approximately 5 minutes, guys. It's pretty funny, right? We're going to go through so many things here, but I have to discuss so many things here still: Ethereum, Bitcoin, and of course way more different cryptocurrencies, XRP, whatsoever. So, guys, make sure in the meantime to smash up the like and give me a few seconds here while you are going to watch the Bitcoin price action chart. I will be taking my dinner up. Give me a second. Here's my card. Excuse me. Let me do some checkups. I don't know if everything is running right now. Maybe it is still running, but everyone's talking right now to me in the chat. Hopefully it's still doing. I think it crashed my stream. My stream crashed out there. Okay, I've got some issues. Guys, is everything working once again? Do you see me on the screen? Give me some checkups, please, because I don't know if it's working, because my stream just got cancelled or whatsoever. And right now it's back. It should be back right now. Guys, are you guys still there? It would be amazing if you guys are still there. Yes, everything is working. He's back. Okay, nice. Everything is working and running once again, and we can talk about the analysis once again. Oh, excuse me. So excuse me so much for everything what just gone on over here. I will be trying to fix it right away after this, guys. Excuse me for the technical issues, but that's always what you will get here if you're going to do a live stream out of nowhere, and you have to also order some food here. So should be working once again here. I'm quickly getting the chat once again back in my screen, and I will be going over Ethereum price action, guys. So yeah, everything is working once again, and the chat is right now in front of my screen. So let me go back into ours. So yeah, Bitcoin on 1 minute candles. It have moved up ever so slightly while I was away, so that's pretty nice to see, of course. I'm in a short of Ethereum. That's pretty interesting what you're doing. So there, I have been already announcing that I will be taking it extremely cautious with all the trades that I'm currently doing here, since I don't like trading in the current market scenario that we're trading on, because it's too high of a risk for me to take certain trades right here. So yes, we are back here. And have you been doing a 20% tip here? Yes, of course, my friend. I have been doing a very nice tip to my man here. Always. And guys, in the meantime, make sure to smash your likes. And let me go back into the Bitcoin price analysis. So, by the way, you opened a new 1 hourly candle here. And excuse me for being away for a second here, but we opened a new 1 hourly candle here. On Bitcoin, it looks pretty solid, this 1 hourly candle, just in a normal regular candle. But on Ethereum, we have been creating a pretty huge wick here on the top side. So that's pretty interesting what we saw over there. But I will be still announcing this here, guys. Yes, we are still seeing several bearish divergences playing out here on the Ethereum price section. And yes, I will be still remain very careful with trading Ethereum right now towards the upside. And it should be rather look at shorts than at longs, even though I should be definitely not trading the market in general right now, because it's too high of a risk to open certain trades over here. So as well, if you're going to go in towards the 4 hourly candles, and I will be doing some Fibonacci analysis as well in a moment here. Give me some time over here. You have to give me some room here to give you guys the analysis here, so you can see as well. We are, first of all, extremely overextended. We are sitting in the 80 on the RSI index. This is, of course, pretty high on the index, and the higher we're going to sit on the relative strength index, the higher, of course, yeah, the more probable is going to be here that you're going to see reversal, because we are pretty overheated right now here. And you could be definitely say that after seeing a rally of an approximately, let me see, 30% here in the last 4 days approximately. So that's, of course, a beautiful rally, first of all, here. And yeah, definitely love to see these rallies, of course. That's a thing for sure. But there always is coming an end towards these minor moves as well, or there is always going to come in some kind of a cool-off period before it's once again going to move up here. And since right now, we have been forming one of the most significant bearish divergence on the chart. So yes, I feel extremely excited, but I'm taking big measures right now here, and I'm taking action right now to prevent to get wrecked here. And my measurements that I'm currently taking here is, of course, that I'm taking out some of my value right now of the market. I'm taking out some of my Ethereum. I have already taken out some of the RSI. This is, of course, a clear signal. We are seeing a momentum loss getting created here. We are seeing a bearish divergence getting created here. This is, of course, pretty interesting to see here, and I'm personally going to pay my attention towards this right now here, and I'm not going to go back towards Rec City, because, yeah, I've been there in the past, but right now I'm not planning to go back towards that city, because I don't like Rec City, and I like to make gains here rather, of course, in the market. So right now, yeah, we are seeing this bearish divergence playing out here. We're seeing a lower high on the RSI, higher high on the price action as well, and we're going to look at different momentum indicators, guys. The momentum indicators are right now looking pretty bearish here as well. The MACD, we are seeing a clear lower high getting formed here, higher high in the price section. You can't be extremely bullish right now here. Of course, I would love to be bullish, but I can only be bullish if the chart is as well bullish. And right now, I can't be. So, yes, I want to be a big moon boy. I want to be talking about, yeah, we're just going to go up and up and up. And guys, what I know from the past here, and this is a very, very funny thing here, and I've been tweeting about it earlier today as well here, is that everyone called me a moon boy while we were trading on the $1,700 and I was telling everyone, because I have been saying this, that I was longing the market and I was accumulating and never going to stop to do so around this range below the $2,000. Everyone called me a moon boy, and right now everyone is saying to me, "Oh, Rover, you're going to get wrecked. Rover, you're going to do this or that." No, I'm taking in this zone over here. Of course, we were still decreasing while I was, of course, accumulating, but still, I did a very good job. I bought in a very good average price there, and right now, what I'm doing in this range over here, this range over here, I am taking some profits. I'm taking some profits out because I'm personally anticipating a minor pullback before we're going to move up here. Because look at the chart. You never go up in a straight line. There's no chart that is going to do so. And yes, I'm a huge lover of Ethereum, but this is just my strategy. And you can either accept my strategy or deny my strategy, but I will be for sure be right on this one. I know it already. I will be right on this one. And maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but there will become a pullback in the coming 2 weeks, in my opinion. Since, yeah, the Bitcoin daily candles, guys, you have to be looking at Bitcoin. You have to be looking at what Bitcoin is going to do, because if you don't know what Bitcoin is going to do, you are going to get wrecked with your Ethereum position. I can already tell that to you guys. And if you as well can't accept the fact that Bitcoin is right now forming one of the most bearish market structures that I've been seeing here in the past, well, in the past here, you don't know what technical analysis is. You don't know how you can trade markets, because right now we're getting clear signals, guys. We're getting very, very clear signals what Bitcoin is about to do here. And we are seeing just a very significant momentum loss right now in the daily candles. We're seeing Bitcoin losing its momentum. Price is still running up here. We are going to most likely see a reversal. And you either accept the fact that the technicals are right now telling this right now, or you don't take the advice. I mean, of course, there's no advice. There's no financial advice whatsoever. But I'm just trying to raise the awareness. And please, I will be just trying to be fair to you guys. I'm only trying to be fair because there are a lot of people right now on the internet that are only going to tell you that every single pattern is going to break towards the upside. Yes, it's currently as well. It looks a bit right now. It is happening, of course, but there will be for sure coming end towards it. So as well, Ethereum looks to be maybe forming a new pattern over here. You can see 1 hourly upper slope support line. This is going to be an important level to hold on for Ethereum. So upper slope support line, several touches over there, and this is going to be a major level to hold on. And guys, let me know as well. Calm down, of course. I will be trying to do my best to slow down ever so slightly for you guys. But guys, as well, let me know in the chat here what you guys currently think of the market. I'm very interested in that, of course. Long or short, bro, I've been already saying it to everyone out there. Yes, we are in trading channel. Yes, we are doing several trades usually a week. But right now, I will be extremely cautious and I will be not trading. We just have to stick around it for a little bit longer here. Yes, there's a huge amount of volatility. So there are huge opportunities. But while there's a huge amount of volatility, there are also huge losses, potential losses around the corner. So let me see. I'm not saying, yeah, a lot of people don't agree with me, and once I'm a little bit, okay, the fact here is, guys, you have to know, a lot of people want to be hearing what they want to hear, and everyone wants to hear the Bitcoin is going to go towards 670k, 70 or 80k right now, but it is not likely to see Bitcoin increasing so quickly in a straight line here. It's not likely. It's not most likely not going to happen for sure, and it's not written out of the books. It's not written out of the books that we can be seeing this increasement, and I would love to see it, but the fact is that we have to be shaking out some weekends before we can do so, because yes, I believe that we're going to see a higher high getting created here. I believe we're going to see a new all-time high getting created this year, but will it be next month? I will doubt. Will it be the month after? I will be doubted as well. I think, yeah, maybe December we could be seeing a new all-time high, but we have to be a little bit more patient right now here. As well, if you're going to go to Plan B is as well expecting a $43,000 Bitcoin for the end of September. I totally agree with Plan B right now here. I totally agree with Plan B that they're expecting a Bitcoin pullback before we're going to see a new all-time high getting created here. And I mean, I agree with Plan B on a lot of things here, and as well on the next pullback that we're about to get creating here. I mean, the momentum is running dry here. We have been not extremely overextended on the Bitcoin daily chart here, but we are seeing sideways action after a parabolic rise here. That is usually typical bearish bias market structure. As well, the MACD momentum is running up very quickly towards the downside. We're seeing huge amounts of momentum loss getting created here. Yes, I hate to say it. I hate to say that I'm bearish, but it's just the fact how the market is right now looking here. And yes, even though we're bearish, we're still increasing. A lot of people don't like it because, yeah, of course, I'm saying only the market is looking bearish, but we're still increasing, and these things happen in bull markets, and you just have to be prepared for a 20% correction or so. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but for sure in the coming 2 weeks or so. So everyone's saying XRP in the chat, guys. I think we definitely have to be keeping our eyes as well open on XRP. So let me quickly look at XRP here. XRP is absolutely pumping right now. I see it, $1.31 here, guys. You are, yeah, absolutely, guys. You're absolutely warning me right now here. And I was already looking early today to XRP, and this is the wrong chart here. Let me go to this chart. I think I think this one is a little bit better. No, I will be go to this chart. So $1.31, guys. This is an absolutely huge pump here on XRP. This one hourly candle, of course, and approximately 2.8% here. Nice pump here on XRP, guys. Of course, I'm a huge holder in XRP. You guys already know it. And I mean, yes, while I'm bearish, I'm not sending all my holding positions, guys. I'm loving to see the price increase for sure. That's the thing that you have to know. I'm getting a big smile if I see the prices increase, of course, guys. So yes, we are seeing XRP increase. Very significant pump here, $1.31 right now already. I'm loving it because I'm holding a huge amount of XRP. It's approximately number 4th or 5th, right? Maybe already 4th right now in my portfolio. I've been accumulating quite a lot of it, especially 70 towards 60 cents range. Everyone was not talking about it. I was, of course, once no one is talking about certain assets, I'm buying them because that is, yeah, being the proven best strategy. And once everyone is talking about a certain asset, you want to be selling it. So this is basically the proven strategy that I've been using here. $1.32 even right now. XRP is going nuts right now, guys. XRP is absolutely pumping like crazy. Like we have been never see I mean, we have been seeing it several times before. If you're going to look at this symmetrical triangle, guys, I have to eat my pizza as well in a second, guys. I'm getting hungry. You can see that the $1.36 is going to be our price target here. This is going to be an approximately 6% move from the measured breakout. From the point that we're trading on, this is going to be another 3.3% move here. So it's going to be for sure a very nice, significant move that we're about to get creating here. So XRP as well, you have to pay attention towards it on the 4-hourly candles. We are still looking to be in a downtrend compared to Ethereum. Ethereum is still taking up more valuation against XRP, and I would like to see this getting shifted, of course. I would like to see XRP taking some territory back and maybe move back towards the orange box of resistance. We have been finding a very significant double bottom right now here on the XRP compared to Ethereum valuation, like you can see over here. First of all, we bounce back towards the green box of support, and XRP is right now finding very strong support on this level of the green box together with a double bottom. So it looks very strong right now, how it is reacting towards the market. And guys, let me know, should I just continue the stream while eating? I think I will be definitely doing so. Please eat food then. Okay, it's pizza, guys. It's pizza. It is a pizza, so it's pretty nice here. So I'm getting pretty hungry. So excuse me for all the sounds. I don't know if you really hear this so loud here, guys. Oh, you're for sure eating my pizza as well because I'm getting hungry. Let me set this up real quickly because it's not very nice while streaming eating. It's not very nice to do so, I think. Guys, in the meantime, by the way, make sure to smash up the likes here. Will be highly appreciated if you're going to do so. And likes, if you can smash up the likes right now, it will be highly appreciated, guys. Excuse me so much. I feel so terrible by doing this on stream. I've never done this before. I've never done this before. So, not very professional as well, I think. So, excuse me for doing so. Let me look back at XRP. Sorry, excuse me. XRP is well moving up once again here. We have been looking at this symmetrical triangle over here. This symmetrical triangle, of course, already broke out towards the upside. You can see over here, measure price target here around to $1.60. This is an approximately 31% move here from the point of we're trading on, still in 20% move. I personally do expect this price target getting reached, man. For all the holders out there, I do expect this price target getting reached. Everyone's talking about my food, guys. Everyone's talking about the food. Man, eating is human, that's true, but it's not very... That's pretty funny, how the reaction of you guys. Okay, I will eat a slice of pizza. So, I mean, I'm usually as well always looking at the charts while eating, etc. Especially right now here. I'm right now in Dubai for another 30 days. From now on, another 25 days or so. I've been doing a lot of charting, of course. I've been sitting on the edge of my seat the whole day. Of course, guys, for all the people out there, you could be as well following me right now on Twitter at RoverCRC. You can be literally sign up right now. If you're going to sign up, you are going to find what I'm saying. You can follow me right now on Twitter at RoverCRC. Sorry, I'm eating and recording. I'm saying weird things, guys. Excuse me. So on my Twitter page, you can be finding a lot of important updates, etc. I mean, I've been tweeting so many times today here. I mean, guys, if you just want to be staying up to date about what I currently think of the market and what I currently will be doing, and what if I'm seeing a trading opportunity, I will be as well announcing it over there. Of course, I've been saying several times on my Twitter page as well. Right now, we'll be not trading because it's too high of a risk. But for sure, if we're going to see an opportunity that we could be trading, I will be announcing it here on my Twitter page. So at RoverCRC, you could be hitting that follow button over there. Will be truly amazing. And look at this profile picture. It's a pretty cool picture, right? I think it's pretty cool. So will be highly appreciated if you're going to hit up that follow button over there. And in the meantime, as well, while I'm already doing some self promotion here. You could be as well, sign up or buy it right now in the link in the description, guys. This is going to be pretty amazing here, because we are doing, of course, quite a lot of trading here on our account here. So on our on our YouTube page, we're doing quite a lot of trading. But right now, the past, let's say, a week or so, I've been not really trading. I've been not really actively trading because I'm too scared right now in the market. But what you could be doing already is sign up your account here. Link in the description, buy it, $3,000 deposit bonus. And if you're going to sign up right now, you can be literally deposit some funds here. After that, you could be withdrawing the funds, and you still will be having this amazing $3,000 deposit bonus. So it's definitely worth to check out right now. Definitely worth to click on that link here, so you're not going to miss out on this significant deposit bonus, because it's going to end here in approximately 7 days, if I say correctly. So you could be right now getting this. This deposit bonus right now here as well. You could be joining us with the next trade that we're going to take. I mean, yeah, it could be taking maybe another week or maybe 2 weeks before we're going to open a trade, but for sure you can be joining us with that for sure, man. Do you think Cardano will be increasing to Alonso hard fork maybe $5? I think my member for life. That's a very good question by you, man. But my thoughts on Cardano are basically going to be purely based off Bitcoin. So of course, and the hard fork update, of course. But as long as Bitcoin is going to will be increasing, Cardano will be not stopping. So it will be for sure, yeah, looking at Bitcoin, we have to be knowing what Bitcoin is going to do. So will it be increasing till $5 till the hard fork update? It depends, first of all. Is Bitcoin going to correct? We're not going to see the $5 going to reach there. But otherwise, yeah, still, I do think it's a little bit too overextended. If we're going to look at CoinMarketCap, and you can see the market capitalization of Cardano right now, sitting on P3, of course, $95 billion with not even a finished product yet here. But it is coming. It is coming with hard fork update, of course. I still think, usually, guys, how this market works here is that you are going to buy the rumor and sell the news here. And you have been seeing it with different projects like TetaFu, etc., etc. We have been warning you guys several times about these things and about these pumps, and after that, these dumps here. Because if Bitcoin is going to in my opinion, guys, this is my theory at least. If Bitcoin is going to see a correction, let's say Bitcoin is going to crack back towards $55,000. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, but let's say if it's going to be Cardano that's going to take a way bigger hit here. Since correction for Bitcoin back towards 45k here is going to be a 10% correction on Bitcoin. I personally think it will be maybe a 25% correction here on Cardano. So you have to be prepared for volatility. But if Bitcoin is going to increase, of course, I do expect as well. Let's say Bitcoin is going to go back towards $55,000. It's going to be maybe a 15 or 16% per pump here for Cardano. So yeah, really expect let's see what Bitcoin is going to do here. But personally, I will be expecting some cool bearish for Cardano. The reason why I'm thinking this member for life here is as well because the buyers are getting pretty exhausted right now on Cardano. Yes, the price has been rising up very quickly, but they are getting exhausted. We're once again trading on $3, and let's see why my screen is not loading up here. Here it is, of course. So you can see right now we're trading once again at $3. But as well, we're seeing, I mean, I definitely have to be saying this. I hate to say it all time here. I hate to be a bear, but I have to be saying it right now to you guys once again here because it is not looking strong. It is not looking strong. We are seeing huge amounts of momentum loss right now getting created here on Cardano. And it's making me feel, okay, we could be seeing a very severe correction. So make sure that you're, of course, going to pay attention towards this very significant bearish divergence that we're creating on the daily candles as well. If you're going to look at the weekly is looking as well very terrible because we're seeing a clear lower high going to create here on the weekly, while the price action is still increasing. So yeah, I will be remaining a little bit more careful. I have already announced that I took the 80% profits here yesterday on my Cardano, on my video that I announced, uploaded over there. So, of course, since then, we saw a very significant rejection. Well, Ethereum is right now, by the way, trading at local highs here once again. Cardano is definitely not doing it still. So, it looks to be that Cardano is really losing some momentum right now here. It could be maybe creating, it could have been maybe already breakout or maybe creating a new continuation pattern. But make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards Cardano right now here. I will be still say, be careful of it. Be careful with Cardano right now here. I think entering Cardano right now, yeah, you can still make some very solid returns here. But will Cardano be, if you're going to enter Cardano right now here, will it be low risk, high reward? I don't think so. I think right now Cardano will be medium risk with medium reward. I definitely don't think it's the best risk to reward setup that you are getting right now with Cardano. So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry, but I have to be wrapping up the stream right now here. I will be taking some ETH right now. I will be keeping you guys up to date here on Twitter as well here. So make sure to keep your eyes on here on my Twitter page right now here at RoverCOC. Excuse me so much that I'm ending the stream already so quickly. But guys, I can promise you already one thing. I will be back tomorrow. I will be announcing it right now here. Tomorrow, early in the day, I'm getting pretty sick of it, of course. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this amazing video. I hope it was still there. I don't know exactly if you guys had some lag issues, because I did saw my internet connection going away from it. So, guys, yeah, I will be keeping you guys up to date over there here on my Twitter page, on my YouTube page as well. Hit that subscribe button so you're not going to miss out of it. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you're definitely not going to miss out on tomorrow's stream and videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again here. And I will be... let me see. Oh my gosh, I can't even stop the stream because I'm getting an issue right now here because I have to verify myself in order to stop the stream. So I mean, you were sticking with me for another few minutes. Let me see. You were sticking with me for another few minutes. I mean, I think it's done right now. So excuse me for the technical difficulties. Tomorrow it will all be fixed here. But guys, make sure to smash up that like. Make sure to smash up the subscriber count here, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow in a new stream and a new update video. Peace out.